Wine Guardian ducted split wine cellar cooling systems are the quietest, most versatile on the market. Split cooling systems provide optimal temperature and humidity control for both commercial and residential cellars and accommodate many different types of applications. The ducted split system is ideal for cellars that have limited space for a self-contained Wine Guardian system, applications where venting is difficult, and for cellars that require longer than recommended duct runs. The fan coil contains air supply openings for installation flexibility. It also contains high static pressure fans for extended lengths of ductwork. The Wine Guardian ducted split cooling unit gives you maximum flexibility in system location, which results in a quiet, vibration-free wine cellar design, with no obtrusive equipment taking up valuable racking space. Wine Guardian ducted split wine cooling systems are constructed of commercial-grade, all-aluminum materials for long-term durability. Each split system comes with a remote user interface for temperature control and humidity readout, one supply and one return duct collar, and low ambient protection on the condensing section. Wine Guardian split air conditioning units can be equipped with a wide range of options and accessories depending on your application. The integrated humidifier option adds moisture to the cellar to increase relative humidity. The electric heater option warms the wine room to protect your cellar from getting too cold. The serving temperature option allows users to adjust the temperature of their wine cabinet or wine cellar to the appropriate serving temperature for a given type of wine. This option works well for many commercial owners with smaller wine cellars or wine cabinets dedicated to specific types of wine that are ready for consumption. Another available option is the remote sensing system, which allows wine cellar owners the ability to place up to 3 sensors in the wine cellar and to control wine cellar temperature to the sensor's average conditions. With Wine Guardian ducted split wine cellar cooling systems, you create the perfect environment for preserving your fine wine. To learn more about Wine Guardian ducted split wine cellar cooling systems, contact us today.